the Microsoft Day of Data is coming up, and it actually has a space tie-in. This is the anniversary of the invention of the spreadsheet. That was October 17th back in 1979. And we're also coming up on another big anniversary for NASA and the space community, the longest continuous inhabitants of people in space, like every day for, is it 20 years, I think?
20 years, November 2nd, yeah. So for the last 20 years, all the human beings alive have not been on planet Earth.
Wow, that's crazy. That's an insanely long time. And you know, the opportunity here, we have a great opportunity for people who love Excel. I was brought in to consult on a data set that they're using for the educational community. And it's all of the astronaut launches that have happened since the beginning of time. And I saw this Excel spreadsheet. It's like, this is a beautiful, beautiful spreadsheet. It's just awesome data. And because I have an interest in space and astronauts, which a lot of people do, I said this would be a fun project for people who just love Excel.
I'm a fellow Excel nerd and space nerd. I've been on the program management team with Excel for a while. I actually look over our charting work and big fan of the Microsoft tech community. A few years back, I was helping run our Excel World Championship competition.
The people that win those contests, they are super, super fast. So here's what we have. We have this great data set that people can download, and I've put together 5 trivia questions. These are questions with a definite answer, and you just have to have your mad pivot table skills and maybe some formula skills to get answers to those. And then the thing that will really be of interest to you, we have 3 more questions that are more project type questions, where you build a dashboard or a visualization to create something cool. And
even if you're not going to be able to crunch the numbers or get into the visualizations yourself, you can still see what other work people are doing. And from there, of course, you'll get to show off to the rest of the tech community, other Excel fans, other space lovers, your skills. And you'll also get some love from Microsoft. We'll get shout outs out to our competition winners out on social media as well. So praise from Microsoft Excel.
I was afraid you were going to tell me that they were going to have to fly on a trip to the moon or something crazy like that, but at least it's nice and safe. A shout out and some love from the Excel team.
Yep, everything you need's on the tech community. We look forward to having people come back, and I'm really excited to see what people have in up their sleeves.
Johnnie, thanks for talking today. I hope people enjoy this challenge and have some fun.
Yeah, thank you, Bill. I'm looking forward to what everyone's got to show.